Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Microsoft Dynamics 365 for lead management, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Microsoft Dynamics 365 webpage. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, select the Sales application from the Home dashboard. On the left panel, find and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Customization option and select Solutions. Fill in the required fields, including the unique name and display name for the solution. Next, set the publisher for your solution. After that, click Save to create your new solution. Now, click on the solution you just created. Select Entities to set up the lead management environment. Locate the lead entity in the list. Click on the lead entity to open its configuration settings. Here, you can customize fields by selecting the Fields option. To add a new field, click on New Field. Define the details for your new field, including name, type, and any necessary attribute. Click Save and Close once you've completed the field setup. Next, select Forms within the lead entity settings. Edit the main form to include the new fields you have created. Use the drag and drop interface to position fields as needed. After customizing the form, click Save and then Publish to make changes live. Next, return to the lead entity settings and choose Views. Modify the existing views or create new views to display relevant leads. Once you have finished configuring views, click Save and then Publish again. Now, let's set up business rules to automate lead management. Within the lead entity, select the Business Rules option. Click on New to create a new business rule. Define the conditions and actions you want to automate for leads. Once set, click Activate to enable the business rule. Next, navigate to the Processes section to create workflows for lead management. Click New and select Workflow in the Process Type options. Set the workflow properties accordingly and define the trigger for the workflow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.